Are smartphones really on their way out? According to Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, the answer is a surprising yes. At the SIGGRAPH 2024 conference, Zuckerberg made waves with his bold prediction: smart glasses will soon replace the mobile phones we've relied on for decades. Hello everyone. Before starting video, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. Welcome to Info Tech Stocks channel, the smartphone. A device so ubiquitous, so ingrained in our lives that it's hard to imagine a world without it. But what if I told you that its days are numbered? That's right, the era of the smartphone may be coming to an end, and the successor is already within sight. At SIGGRAPH 2024, Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta, made a bold prediction: smart glasses will replace our beloved smartphones. This isn't just science fiction, it's a future that's rapidly approaching. Zuckerberg isn't alone. Tech giants around the globe are investing heavily in augmented reality and virtual reality technology, the driving forces behind this paradigm shift. But what makes smart glasses so special? And are we truly ready to ditch our phones for a world viewed through digital lenses? The answer, my friends, lies in understanding the potential of this transformative technology. Zuckerberg envisions a future where our physical and digital worlds seamlessly merge, a concept known as the metaverse. This metaverse isn't just a single virtual space, but a vast network of interconnected digital environments. In this interconnected realm, we won't just consume information, we'll experience it firsthand. Imagine walking through a city and seeing digital information overlaid on the real world, guiding you to your destination, or providing historical context about the buildings around you. Imagine attending a concert without leaving your living room, feeling the energy of the crowd and the music as if you were there in person. Or collaborating with colleagues on a virtual whiteboard, where you can brainstorm and create together, no matter where you are in the world. All while wearing a sleek pair of smart glasses that blend seamlessly into your everyday life. This isn't the first time technology has promised to revolutionize our lives. The printing press, the telephone, the internet, each innovation has fundamentally altered the course of human history. These advancements have changed how we communicate, learn, and interact with the world around us. The rise of smart glasses and the metaverse could be the next giant leap, offering new ways to interact with both the digital and physical worlds. A shift as profound as the transition from desktop computers to mobile devices, changing how we access and use information on a daily basis. But what makes this different? What sets this new wave of technology apart from previous innovations? Perhaps it's the promise of true immersion, where the lines between the digital and physical worlds blur, creating a seamless experience of interacting with digital content in a way that feels natural and intuitive, as if it were a part of our everyday reality. Or maybe it's the potential to break free from the constraints of physical screens, allowing us to interact with information and entertainment in entirely new ways. To experience information and entertainment in ways that are more engaging, interactive, and immersive than ever before. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear: the future of technology is hands-free, offering a new level of convenience and accessibility. And it's looking right back at us, ready to transform our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Smart glasses offer a tantalizing glimpse into a world of unparalleled convenience and connectivity. Imagine navigating a bustling city with directions projected directly onto your field of vision, or receiving real-time language translations during a conversation with someone who speaks a different language. The possibilities are truly limitless. This technological revolution isn't without its contenders. Meta, the company formerly known as Facebook, is locked in a fierce battle with Apple for dominance in the AR and VR space. Apple, known for its sleek design and user-friendly interfaces, is rumored to be developing its own version of smart glasses. This competition is a testament to the transformative potential of this technology. Both companies are betting big on a future where smart glasses become as indispensable as smartphones are today. But will they succeed? Overcoming the hurdles to widespread adoption. Despite the hype, there are still significant challenges that need to be addressed before smart glasses can become mainstream. These challenges span across various aspects, from technical limitations to social acceptance. Battery life remains a major concern. The current technology in smart glasses often results in a short battery life, which can be a significant inconvenience for users who need their devices to last throughout the day. Current AR and VR headsets require frequent charging, limiting their practicality for everyday use. This frequent need for charging can disrupt the user experience and deter potential buyers. Affordability is another hurdle. Early iterations of smart glasses are prohibitively expensive for many consumers. The high cost of these devices makes them inaccessible to a large portion of the market, which slows down widespread adoption. However, as technology advances and production costs decrease, we can expect prices to become more accessible over time. Economies of scale and improved manufacturing processes will play a crucial role in making smart glasses more affordable. Perhaps the biggest challenge lies in social acceptance. The way people perceive and react to smart glasses can significantly impact their adoption. People may be hesitant to wear bulky headsets in public, fearing awkward stares and privacy concerns. The design and aesthetics of smart glasses are critical in overcoming this barrier. Designers are working tirelessly to create sleek and fashionable smart glasses that seamlessly blend into everyday life. By focusing on aesthetics and comfort, they aim to make these devices more appealing to the general public. Despite these obstacles, the momentum behind smart glasses is undeniable. The enthusiasm at tech conferences and the growing interest from consumers indicate a bright future for this technology. Companies are pouring billions of dollars into research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This investment is driving rapid advancements in the field, bringing us closer to overcoming the current limitations. The future is closer than we think. With continuous innovation and effort, the hurdles to widespread adoption of smart glasses will eventually be overcome, leading to a new era of augmented reality in our daily lives. A world transformed implications across industries. The widespread adoption of smart glasses has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries. In healthcare, surgeons could use AR overlays to visualize patient data during surgery, improving precision and reducing complications. Education could be transformed as students immerse themselves in virtual environments, experiencing historical events firsthand or exploring the human body in intricate detail. The gaming industry is already embracing AR and VR, creating immersive experiences that blur the lines between reality and fantasy. Imagine stepping into your favorite video game, battling mythical creatures, and exploring fantastical landscapes. The possibilities for entertainment are endless. Communication could also be revolutionized. Imagine attending virtual meetings with colleagues from around the world, their holographic projections appearing in your living room as if they were physically present. Distance would become irrelevant, fostering deeper connections and collaborations. The future is in sight. Will you embrace it? As we stand on the brink of a new era, the question looms larger than ever. The potential end of the smartphone era marks a significant turning point in human history. From the bulky mobile phones of the past to the sleek, intelligent devices of today, our journey has been remarkable. Smart glasses and the metaverse promise a future of unparalleled connectivity, immersion, and convenience. Imagine a world where virtual meetings feel as real as face-to-face interactions, and information is just a glance away. While challenges remain, the rapid pace of technological advancement suggests that this future is closer than we think. Innovations are happening at breakneck speed, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. The question is, are we ready? Are we prepared to adapt to this new reality, to integrate these advancements into our daily lives? Are we prepared to embrace a world where our physical and digital realities are intertwined, where our homes, workplaces, and even our social interactions are enhanced by augmented reality, where information is seamlessly integrated into our field of vision? Imagine navigating a city with real-time updates and directions appearing right before your eyes. The answer, my friends, lies in our willingness to explore the unknown, to step out of our comfort zones and embrace the future with open arms, to embrace the transformative power of technology. This isn't just about gadgets, it's about a fundamental shift in how we interact with the world around us and shape the future we want to create. We have the power to influence the direction of these advancements, to ensure they benefit all of humanity. What are your thoughts on the future of smart glasses? Do you see them as a tool for empowerment or a potential source of distraction? Do you think they will replace smartphones, or will they coexist, each serving different needs and purposes in our lives? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about the future of technology and its impact on our lives. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more explorations of the cosmos and beyond. Together, let's journey into the future and discover what lies ahead.